Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here on Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on something unique I've been thinking about doing. I've decided to do it. It's going to be on a parts broker. That's right. I've become a parts broker, and I'm going to explain it to you right now. It's going to be a three-part video. All right. First part is going to be the what a parts broker is. And the second part is going to be how it works. And then the third part is going to be the why you should use T-Mike as your parts broker. So we're going to have fun with this video. If everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so the first part, the definition of a parts broker. So I found myself to be in that position because I have the parts, and if I don't have the parts, I know how to find them for the work that I do. So there's that problem, the hard to find parts. And then there's the buyers that can't find those parts that need to do that. And then there's the sellers that have these hard to find parts that don't really have a Facebook page or a website or an eBay account. They just have the parts. So I have contacts that I can find those people. So as a broker, the broker puts these people together, the people that are looking for these hard to find parts and the people that have them. So the broker provides the platform for getting these parts to those people. So, okay, so that's the what a broker is. Now let's talk about the how it works. So an example of how it worked would be I did a restore on a Gale Buccaneer recently, and somebody contacted me because that video who had one who needed some parts. He needed the carb friction plate for the carburetor. He also had a West Bend 2 horsepower. He needed a special plug for it, and he also wanted the carb for the gasket on the Gale. Now those are hard to find parts. I was able to find the three parts for him from different places, put together a kit for him, made a listing on eBay, and sent him over the one listing, and he got all his parts in one shot. All right, so that's how it works. Likewise, if the seller's out there and you got parts and you're not sure what to do with, you're looking to sell them, contact me. I can do that. Okay, so that's how it works. T-Mike brokers the buyer and seller together and helps the transaction to happen. All right, so that's the how. Now let's talk about the why you should use T-Mike. So it's kind of a pay it forward thing for me. If you've ever been mentored by your parent, your father, your mother, a coach, a teacher, somebody in business, if you've ever been mentored and learned certain skills, you get to a certain point where you want to pay it forward. So I like paying it forward. I have the unique skill in these vintage motors you see right here to be able to find the hard to find parts for myself. So I want to pay it forward to my subscribers, you guys and girls that are watching my channel. I'd like to pay it forward and help you and broker parts, the hard to find parts. I have the common parts for you, the kits and all that. I have that in my eBay store, but the hard to find parts that I don't have, I can find them for you. All right, so just contact me. My phone number is right here, 337-278-5429. I answer all my calls. I prefer texting. Text me, or you can message me through my eBay, my YouTube, or my Facebook page. Message me through there and just give me the model number, the horsepower and make of your particular motor and the parts that you need. You don't need to put the part number on there. I'll find the part numbers for you. I'll broker the deal, gather your separate parts from different places. You can get it all done in one order from T-Mike's Parts Broker Service. I'm having a blast doing this. I love my motors. I love you guys out there. I love helping you. So let's keep it going. Just let me know if I can help you. And remember, always remember, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.